Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now, open Services and restart the Windows search service, then run the search and indexing troubleshooter. Once done, make sure app shortcuts exist in the Start menu folders under %app data % and %program data % so the index can find them. While that runs, open indexing options and confirm the folders containing your apps are included. This first sweep fixes most misses because search uses a file index, not live app lists, so putting shortcuts where Windows scans matters. Once the quick checks finish, rebuild the index from indexing options right arrow advanced right arrow rebuild. This forces Windows to recatalog installed apps. While it rebuilds, run sfc/scano and dism/online/cleanupimage to repair corrupt system components that break search. Make sure the search/Cortana process has permission to read Start menu folders, inspect ACLs on shortcut files. If an app still fails to appear, re-register the search UI or re-register Start menu apps using PowerShell for sandboxed packages. These steps address deeper catalog or permission faults. You finish by resetting the search UI and repairing or reinstalling any app that still won't show. Open Settings right arrow apps right arrow advanced options for the app and choose Repair or Reset. If multiple apps remain hidden, create a new user profile to test whether the issue is profile specific. Make sure to rebuild the index again after these changes so results update. If nothing helps, use Safe Mode or System Restore to return to a working state. This single troubleshooting step often reveals.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.